Hey guys, welcome back to BA Performance. Last time we were working on the 1 ton, you seen that I got the new exhaust on it, but it didn't clear drive and 2 and low gears, and all we had was park and reverse basically. So what I did was I pulled this whole exhaust off and actually found where it was hitting right there. Anyway, I massaged it with the hammer. Now it shifts through the gears. I'm going to take it out, massage it a little bit more, and then we'll put it back in. Right there is where it was hitting, so I'll run it through the gears so you guys can see kind of how close it was. Okay guys, time to reinstall these headers. Yeah, it's a little bashed, but we're talking about an 8622 RE here. Not a whole lot of horsepower to be killing. Let us know what you guys think in the comments about bashing your headers a little bit to make them fit. Alright, so it was making like a rattling noise before, and that was the coil in here rattling against the side. So what I did was made a cut in it with the cutoff wheel, and then was able to weld it in the middle, so I don't think it'll make that noise anymore. We're going to go ahead and reinstall it and see about taking it for a test drive. Alright guys, here we go. First start. Well, second start with the new exhaust. I think it sounds pretty good. We'll let it warm up and then take it for a ride around the yard. Okay, we definitely need to get some outside shots, so let's go and try that real quick. Alright, that's going to be it for the 22RE this episode. Still not running 100% perfect. Might have to figure out something with the radiator or coolant. Seems to be overheating yet. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, and peace out.
Broadcast performance is what it stands for.